Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming credentials, either the Apple ID password or valid proof of purchase for the device. Once done, install the latest iTunes on your computer and connect the iPhone with a reliable USB cable. Make sure iCloud's Find My iPhone is turned off. If it is on and you don't have the password, pause and prepare to contact Apple support. This step prevents activation lock problems and allows iTunes to communicate fully with the device. Next, put the device into recovery or DFU mode. Follow the exact button presses for your model, because iTunes needs that to perform a clean restore. Once iTunes detects the device, click Restore iPhone. This erases the device and reinstalls the latest iOS, which removes the local Apple ID data. If, during the setup after the restore, iTunes or the device asks for the Apple ID credentials, you must enter them or proceed to Apple support with ownership proof to complete removal. Finally, complete iOS setup on the device. You can sign in with a different Apple ID or skip sign-in for now. Make sure you only restore backups after confirming the previous Apple ID is no longer tied to the device. If activation lock appears at any point, stop and gather the device serial or IMEI plus proof of purchase. Then contact Apple support. This is the official path to remove an Apple ID when credentials aren't available. If restore fails, retry recovery mode once.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.